Today I'm here to talk about how to protect your backflow devices from cold weather freeze conditions. First, you'll need to go to the hardware store and purchase a few things. I need you to purchase some pipe insulation tape, and an insulated bag if they have them. Now, you'll want to cut your pipe insulation so it fits all the way from the ground all the way to the backflow device itself. You cut little notches out of the insulation for the handle, and you want to run it all the way up to the backflow device. Make it fit nice and tight. Some of this pipe insulation has adhesive strips on it. That's good for closing it up, but you still want to use the pipe insulation tape because that adhesive stuff comes loose. Slip it over the PVC pipe, pull it nice and tight, grab your tape, and you want to wrap it nice and tight and close up the joints. Wrap it around, nice and tight, close up those gaps. And if you find yourself with a gap underneath, you have extra pipe insulation, you can stick it in that gap. If you were fortunate enough to buy an insulated bag, to slip it over the top of the backflow device and the pipes and seal it up. If you can't find an insulated bag, then grab some towels from your house, wrap them around your backflow device, nice and tight, all the way around. You need to use the tape just so that you can block out the cold weather, the wind from blowing it off. Shortly after the freeze is over, you'll want to remove the towels or the freeze bag. These backflow devices have drains on them that weren't meant to be plugged up, stopped up with these towels. So you'll need, a couple days after the freeze is over, you know it's not going to freeze anymore, pull the towels off. I hope this has helped you protect your backflow from that cold weather shock. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email us at backflowprogram@cctexas.com.